Greetings everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and I am here to bring you the latest updates from the ever evolving world of technology. GitHub, the world's largest software development collaboration platform, announced the general availability of GitHub's merge queue means goodbye to traffic jams on your team's busiest branches. No more rushing to merge your pull request before someone else merged there. Turn on GitHub's merge queue and accelerate your merge velocity. Laxer, a leading global brand in memory and storage solutions, has announced Shabu Sultan as its new country general manager for India operations. In this role, Shabu will be responsible for significantly growing Laxer's market share in India and enhancing brand equity through strategic partnerships in line with the company's vision for the next 3 years. Tata Technologies, a global engineering and product development digital services company, announced the launch of Tata Technologies Innovent, an innovation platform that provides young engineering students in India with an opportunity to showcase their creativity and innovate solutions that address the challenges being faced by the manufacturing industry. Tata Technologies' vision of engineering a better world embodies a commitment to innovating solutions that helps manufacturing companies conceive, design, develop, and deliver better products. BIS Research, a market intelligence and advisory firm specializing in deep and emerging technology trends, has announced the launch of a new subscription-based pricing model for its subsidiary, InsightMonk, priced at $99 per month. The introduction of InsightMonk's subscription model will enable Indian businesses, CXOs, and investors to make informed decisions, drive innovation, and stay competitive in the rapidly evolving landscape of emerging technology. InsightMonk is a powerful SaaS platform that gathers data from millions of public and private sources, offering users access to information on emerging technologies, markets, and key players. InsightMonk offers access to a comprehensive suite of data and tools to gather key deep tech insights. One of the critical features of InsightMonk is the Insight Navigator, an AI-powered chatbot powered by GPT 3.0. Vitasco Technologies, a leading international developer and manufacturer of cutting-edge drive systems for sustainable mobility, has launched direct sales of OE manufactured spare parts in the independent aftermarket. The long-term goal is to establish spare parts and services for electrically powered vehicles, from passenger cars to commercial vehicles, from a single source. Indian Digital Gaming Society first gaming conclave was held at Hotel Taj, MG Road, Bangalore, last week. IDGS is a premier national body that works towards promoting the growth and development of the gaming industry in India. Organized at the Gaming Hub of India, Bangalore, this groundbreaking event saw an attendance of over 250 delegates, brought together industry leaders, game developers, and gaming enthusiasts from all over the country to engage in a dynamic exchange of ideas, insights, and experiences. Charge Plus Zone, India's fastest growing EV charging company, announced the launch of Charge Cloud, a network operating software solution for EV charging station management systems. With Charge Cloud, charging station operators can unlock unrivaled potential supercharge revenue and maximize charger utilization effortlessly. Charge Cloud offers a wide array of powerful software services that instantly connect chargers to Charge Plus Zone's robust charging station management system. Leading technology media company IT Voice recently introduced a revamped website. The new website seeks to improve user experience and give a more interesting environment for visitors to learn about and engage with IT Voice cutting-edge services. The choice to revamp the website stems from IT Voice's desire to match its online presence with the quickly changing IT Voice technology and communication landscape. The seamless user interface and emphasis on user-centric content of news and insights in the sector served as a source of inspiration. Tecno is preparing to expand its Pova smartphone series in India by launching the Tecno Pova Neo 3. The company has shared some key specifications of the upcoming device, revealing details about its color options and camera module. The Tecno Pova Neo 3 will be available in Mecha Black, Amber Gold, and Hurricane Blue color, and it will feature a prominent camera module on the back. Tecno is gearing up to introduce the Tecno Pova Neo 3 smartphone in India. which will come equipped with impressive specifications. The device will be powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G85 chipset and will boast 8 GB of RAM. Xiaomi is preparing to launch the Redmi 12 in the Indian market, and the company has released another teaser revealing one of the upcoming color options. In addition to the previously announced Jet Black and Moonstone Silver options, Xiaomi has now confirmed that the Redmi 12 will also be available in a pastel blue color variant in India. These three color options will feature a crystal glass finish, adding a premium touch to the budget grade handset. Infinix is set to launch its new GT10 Pro series of smartphones with a focus on gaming. The GT10 Pro and GT10 Pro Plus models bear a striking resemblance to Nothing's transparent design language. In response to leaked images of the phone, Nothing CEO Carl Pei tweeted, "Time to get the lawyer ready." The vanilla model Infinix GT10 Pro is expected to debut in India in August before being released elsewhere. It promises high gaming features at an affordable price. Official image reveals the phone's semi-transparent design in two color options. The GT10 Pro is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity series chipset and features a triple camera setup with a 108 megapixel main camera. OnePlus has recently opened its latest OnePlus Experience store at the Forum Mall in Bangalore, India. Spanning over 1711 square feet, this store offers an immersive space for customers to explore and experience the complete OnePlus product ecosystem. The store showcases a wide range of OnePlus products, including their premium flagship smartphones, popular Nord devices, OnePlus TVs, monitors, and hearables. By providing a comprehensive lineup, OnePlus aims to meet the diverse needs and preferences of its customers. Phil Spencer, the head of Microsoft Gaming and Xbox, took to Twitter to announce an agreement aimed at addressing concerns raised by regulators regarding Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard. The agreement is a response to fears that the acquisition would lead to exclusivity or reduced availability of popular games on rival platforms, particularly PlayStation. Microsoft's Vice Chair and President Brad Smith expressed a commitment to resolving these concerns and ensuring that Call of Duty remains available on multiple platforms. The agreement, reported to be a 10-year deal, demonstrates Microsoft's dedication to maintaining competition and consumer choice. Facebook is making changes to its platform by renaming the Watch tab to Video and expanding its capabilities to include Reels, long-form content, and live videos. Users will now have the option to vertically scroll through videos or use a horizontal carousel to browse Reels. The video section will be prominently located at the top of the Android app and at the bottom of the iOS app. In addition to the video-centric feed, users will also be able to access and explore page through the search button. This explore page will feature various reels, long-form content, and live videos related to relevant topics and hashtags curated by an algorithm to showcase content that is expected to be enjoyable and interesting to users. Microsoft has discovered a new China-based threat actor named Storm0558. In a recent blog post, the software giant revealed that the espionage group has stolen a key. This key allowed attackers to break into email inboxes, including one belonging to several US government agencies. The company said that is currently investigating how the hackers obtained a Microsoft signing key, while the hackers abused to forge authentication tokens to access the email accounts. Thank you for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Do check out our latest video of how to set up a geotag on your channel. Also subscribe to the channel for all things tech.
डेटा माइनिंग की दुनिया बहुत बड़ी, बट लोगों को पता भी नहीं डेटा माइनिंग होता क्या है। मैं आपको इसके बारे में बताने वाला हूँ, ये कितना प्रॉफिटेबल है। डिजिटल दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है, बट लोगों को उसके अंदर के राज जानने हो तो डेटा माइनिंग इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एसेंशियल थिंग उनको आना चाहिए। डेटा माइनिंग आपके सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म्स, कंपनीज, बिजनेस, ई कॉमर्स सबके लिए अवेलेबल होती है। आप लोगों का डेटा देखते हो, उसको बहुत अलग अलग चीज़ों से एनालाइज करते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड डेटा माइनिंग। रीसेलिंग, जिससे लोग पैसे बनाते हैं, इसमें क्या होता है, आप कंपनीज को डेटा देते हैं एंड पीपल पे योर बिग अमाउंट। सो वन ऑफ द वे ऑफ अर्निंग मनी। सो अगर आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा हो वीडियो तो लाइक, शेयर, फॉलो, कमेंट प्लीज करिएगा। फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर कंटेंट लाइक दिस। मिलते हैं कल नई वीडियो के साथ।